up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Well, I fucked up. I tried to drive the white truck yesterday. Drove good, started good, needs a battery. But I drove it and the fuel pump went bad. So now we're gonna try to take this one off with Manny. And hopefully it's the same, because I don't think it's the same. This one has a plug that goes directly into the pump, and I think that one has a plug that goes to the harness. So we're gonna try to take the pump off, and hopefully it'll work. If not, then I'm gonna take it apart and change the cylinder. So hopefully we'll have a new working truck again. Manny, get out the camera. Manny, come here.
Hi.
Manny, you better help me. Alright, is that good? Alright, Manny's off the camera. So now what we're gonna do is pull the lines off and hammer the retainer off. And hopefully it's one of these. And we're gonna lift the bed up with the tractor, if the tractor works. And then we should have a running truck again. So, wish me luck. Alright guys, so the pump's off. It's not that good, but we'll see if it works or not. Which it should, because the truck ran. Now let's go try to put it on the other one. Alright. Got the pump off. Now we gotta lift up the bed, so hopefully the tractor runs and it doesn't die again. So instead of cutting the bed like that one, I'm gonna lift it up. Hopefully it doesn't crush me. And then hopefully the pump's the same. So let me get the tractor running and we can bring it here and lift this up. So, alright guys, so they're not the same. You can see here, this one, the one that's in the truck, has the plug for the harness. And this one, the harness is plugged in here. So it's not gonna work like plug and play. So what I'm gonna do is pull the actual pump from this one and then put it over here. And either way, I have to get a new one because this ain't no good. It's missing the actual float. So whenever it got taken out, they didn't put it back the way it was supposed to, and it's not even assembled all the way. It's missing the whole float assembly, so it won't tell you how much gas it has in it. So now all I'm gonna do is pop these tabs on both and then pull the cylinder that's in there, and hopefully we can make it work, at least so we can get it out of here, because it's on the way. So I don't know if I'm gonna record all that, because it's just popping these tabs around, separating it, and doing the same thing with this one. We'll see. Alright guys, so upon further inspection, if you see here, whenever they replaced this, which I kind of knew it was replaced because you can see the color difference, the connection there, it's trash. It's no good. So I think it was shorting or not. That's scary. It wasn't making good contact, and obviously the pump won't turn on. But let me get this right so I don't catch on fire. But if you look at this right here, it works. The pump works. It's just, oh, come on now. The pump works, it's just the connections here are bad. So, we're not gonna make it run today. Because I need to get something to solder that to this one. So we might have to take it home with us, and I'll solder it at home because I have all the equipment. And I kind of broke this one, so yeah. But either way, I still need to get the float for this one, so it can tell us how much fuel it has. So I don't know if I'll be able to find it at O'Reilly's. I don't think so, but we're gonna try, and we're gonna have to do the wiring again on this. So stay tuned. We're gonna have to do this another day because tomorrow's Monday and I gotta go to work. And we might just drag out the truck so it's not on the way over there. So that being said, stay tuned. Alright guys, back at it again. It's been a week, but we have the float ready. So we're gonna put it on the pump since I didn't do it at home. It's not too hard, it's just 3 bolts. But it's getting late, so I gotta hurry up. I'm cold. You want to see how I'm doing it? Look, it's only these right there. I think this one goes here. I don't know. So we'll see. And the tractor messed up again too, so I gotta work on the tractor again. It's having a issue where it'll run for like 15-20 minutes and then it'll shut off. I did the fuel filter, oil change, and still didn't fix it. So we're gonna be working on the tractor too. And there you go, that's the float right there, ready to go. That's the little connector for the little arm right here. So now I gotta tape up the connections where I was testing it. Got us a new roll of tape because I lost the other one. Alright?
Yeah.
Alright, so everything's taped up. Now we gotta lift the bed up again. So let's get to it because it's getting late. Alright guys, bed's up, so now we gotta put the pump in. Should be pretty easy. It's pretty much ready to go. So let's get to it. Damn, I'm tight.
Go.
Alright, we got the fuel pump in, but it doesn't have battery, so I'm gonna take the battery off my black OBS. Big shallow. So I'm gonna go take the battery off and test, see if the fuel pump worked. and hopefully we can get out of here because it's on the way, and we'll put it somewhere other. Bluey. Alright, we got the battery on. I'm just gonna test and see if the pump works. We got power, obviously. And see. Did it spit out gas? Like right there? Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah? Cool. So it works. Alright, I'm gonna put the lines back on. There. The lines are back on. Now let's see if we can get the line. You ready? I can barely hear it. Smells funny. I think the gas might be either old or not enough. All right, hi guys, back at it again. Next day. Yesterday we cut the video short because it was really late and I couldn't do a lot. Chicken. Thank you. Um, but yeah. So today what we're gonna do is do the smoke test. Chicken. So we got a little pump from Harbor Freight. And hopefully, I think it goes here. Hopefully we can figure out if the truck actually has a vacuum leak or not. Manny, come here. So let's go do the test. All right. So to do the test, I need to see where. Well, I need to find a line that feeds into the motor to see if I can find the leak. So I'm gonna use this one right here. As you can see, these two are the ones that do have the vacuum. This one goes to the brakes. So this one, just gotta unplug it there, and then just feed the line. Hopefully it fits. Okay, there we go. That's it right there. And I have a peach mango smoke machine, and hopefully it works. I just bought it. So now what I'm gonna do is pump the pump, and wherever smoke comes out, that means it's losing vacuum there, or it's sucking in extra air, and that's what's making the truck run rough. So here goes nothing. Oh wait, let me make sure it's smoking first. Okay, there we go. Smells good. Okay, here we go. Oh, look, I already found a spot where it's leaking. Right there. That hose right there. That's one spot right there. It's leaking from the bottom too. Can you see it? Hold on, let me see if I can pump a little bit more. Right there. Hold on. Right there, right there, right there. Yeah. Right there. Hold up. Wait, hold on. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, I think that's the plenum leaking right there. Yep. Is it covered good? Yeah. Oh. Deal. Yeah. Well, guys, it's leaking a lot. So yeah, that's why it runs pretty rough. It smooths out a high RPM, but it has no power like at idle, or really when you put it in drive or reverse. So yeah, either the plenum's leaking or the manifold, but either way, gonna change out both upper and lower gaskets. It just won't be today. So with that being said, guys, that's gonna be it, because it's raining a little bit and it's cold, and I mean it's not raining under here, but it's getting all wet from the side, and I don't want anything to go in there. So it's just gonna have to be another day. So yeah, stay tuned. So guys, uh, yeah, pretty much this is gonna be the end of the video. Like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. Uh, you can find me on TikTok. Still not using it a whole lot. But yeah, we'll catch you on the next one, guys.